Welcome to this mobility flow yoga sequence. Moving slowly, starting with side bending, raising one arm up and side bending down to the other side. And this is a slow lunar flow practice where we can enjoy some slower movements and really delve deeper into these asanas. Stepping the feet wide and side bending down now to either side. Exhaling as you go down, inhaling to come up. Swiveling round over the front foot, Virabhadrasana 1 or Warrior 1 pose, and touching the hands down to the floor. Again, arms rising up, hands are together, and then touching them down to the floor and back to prayer. Swiveling round to Skandasana or side lunge pose and changing sides, and enjoy some sahaja flow here, spontaneous movement side to side, lengthening through the spine and the side waist. Feeling that lengthen through the groin, and then swivel back round to the other side into Virabhadrasana 1, Warrior 1 pose, other side, looking up, sinking deep into the front knee, hands down, and a gesture of prayer here, extending up and folding down, touching the fingers down to the floor. Breathing steadily here. Swiveling back round again and enjoying that lovely side lunge, side to side, touching the earth. Breathing. And let the shoulders roll back now, loosening through the neck and shoulders. And standing again together with the feet together, side bending, standing half moon pose. A way to lengthen through the side waist and create some space in the ribs, side lung. Breathing deeply. And let's take another round now. Side bending and circling the arm now round in front of your body, and watch the hand as it travels across the sky and down across the body. Stepping out, star pose. And take that side bend again, down one leg, reaching down at the same time as you're reaching up. Swivel the front foot round into a lunge. The back leg is active and alternating now back into Parsvottanasana or pyramid pose. Back into lunge, inhale. Back to pyramid, exhale. You can take the toes upwards to really deepen that, stretch the back calf, back of the knee. Let the back knee come down into a lunge. Interlace the fingers behind the back and open the chest. heart to sky, breathing. And folding forward. Slowly rolling up through each vertebrae to stand. Take the arms back, place them at your low back, sacrum, and arching back. Enjoy the back bend. It's safe for your spine, always monitoring what's right for your body. And changing sides. Side bending, and let the arms circle in front of your body, and watch the hand as it traverses across the sky, down across. Inhaling up, exhaling down. Other side, and enjoy the space that this movement creates in your body. Moving slowly, with intention, enjoying the space. Again, star pose. And side bending down, lengthening through the side body, breathing. And swiveling to the other side. Warrior one. Find the angle of the back foot that suits you. And coming into the lunge, alternating through Parsvottanasana, pyramid pose, and back into your lunge. Legs are active, cycling back and forth with your breath. And let the back knee come down. Interlace the hands again. Open the chest, heart to sky. Breathing here. And then stepping to the top again, both feet together, forward fold. And slowly rolling up, vertebrae at a time. Again, arms circling back behind, hands to the sacrum or low back, and arching up and over your hands. Not compressing, but arching up and over. And coming back to stand. Hands in prayer pose. Thank you for joining me. May this practice give you some space and ease and flow for the rest of your day.